Hi all. In this video I'll just tell you how to write a C++ code to define a class circle with its attribute as radius and also to make three objects of class circle such that two objects attribute is added and given to the third object using operator overloading. So just move on to the code part. So here is the code for that. First of all, I just declared the class circle. Then under public I have given the attribute radius. Then using set member function set I just accepted the radius for the current object. Then I'm just giving it to radius attribute. Then what happens is this is the operator overloading function. Here the operator plus it is given as circle operator plus circle ob2. The circle ob2 is the argument that first the second object that is going to be added upon, and here the circle gives that such that the returning type is of circle. So inside this circle ob3 is defined. So what actually happens with this operator plus circle ob2 is, I'll just tell you afterwards inside the main function. So here just I declared circle ob3, then ob3's radius is assigned as radius of the current object plus radius of ob2, then it is returned. So what happens inside main function is three objects of type circle is defined, then values for first objects is accepted from the user, and after that second object's radius is also accepted. Then we are using c3 is equal to c1 plus c2. Here c1 plus c2 is made such a call that it happens to be c1 plus circle ob2. So c1 plus circle ob2. So it will come just like that, and a call is made to this function, and in that this radius will be of c1 and this ob2's radius will be of c2's. Both are added, and then using c3 dot radius I am just displaying it. So let's move on to the output part. So enter the radius 1, that is 61, radius 2, that is 39. So radius of new circle is 100. That's all. Thank you. Hi all. In this video I'll just tell you how to write a C++ code to give out a class rectangle with length and breadth being its attributes, and also to define three objects with first two objects length and breadth added to give the length and breadth values of the third object using operator overloading. So we'll just move on to the coding part. So here is the code for that. First of all, rectangle class is defined. Inside that, length and breadth is given under access specified public. Then using the member function set the length and breadth values are accepted as input from the user. Then here using the operator overloading function, we are just declaring an object third. Here third object's length and breadth is given as first and second objects added up thing. So the third object's length is first object's length plus second object's length. Third object's breadth is first object's breadth plus second object's breadth. So inside the main function, and this is returned back, that is the third object ob3 is returned back. Here inside the main function, three rectangles are defined, that is three objects of class rectangle is defined. First of all, the values are accepted for r1, then for r2. Then using r1 plus r2, this operator overloading function is called, and the value is assigned to r3. Then using r3 dot length and r3 dot breadth is just displaying the output. So let's move on to the output. So the first length be 15, and the first breadth be 36, second length be 36, and second breadth be 15. So now we got the length of the new rectangle is 51, that is 15 plus 36 is 51. Breadth of new rectangle is 36 plus 16, that is 52. That's all. Thank you.